황신호? Do you know 황신호? He looks like 황신호.
You look like?
My friend. He looks like Unje.
Artistahin ka pala!
Kamukha mo daw yung kaibigan niya. So a very friendly face, right? Alright, so we are going to do this scene. Hintanan, you guys ready? Palakpakan natin sila, guys! Ready? In 3, 2, 1, action! Thank you. Since stranger, he was your fan. Oh! What a gentleman. He is truly a gentleman. Oh! Yeah, you can go now. Fighting! You can run. Thank you. What a gentleman. Palakpakan natin sila, everybody. Alright.
서동진을 좋아하는
I love you!
A lot of you guys like 서동진.
Yes.